the journalists need be any some of the communicators. I bet you want to afa anti-LGBTQ plus bill and say pass you know. Parliament educate we don't say there be. So we have been no pa ya pass now. NDC government omi a hypocrite in fact omi a nyachom na omu nka no kre. I don't know what answer no. Me wan chire mu no akire wadwen e de amame. E wo comment section. I PENYAH blocking that mess was say ni demo. Over like if you are my subscribe button, somebody click the notification corner of latest update. Time back to the one that amame e wo comment section. Over so. So it was last week Friday, 29th May 2026 in the Ghana Parliament. Now, on a reintroduction of the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, now, that is anti-LGBTQ plus bill now it is hanging in the air now. Yeah, they Ghana Parliament. The whole no, and they called the so in seminar.
The Speaker, this is just watering down the point that you wanted the Akufo Addo to sign in 2028, for which reason people had issues. So today it is clear, Mr. Speaker, today it is clear that you are exempting all these people under this bill, which is not the same bill you asked Akufo Addo to sign.
That's where the real problem is. These are the people sponsoring, supporting, making these activities rather attractive behind the scenes and even sometimes overtly. And so if I find it highly problematic, any attempt by this House to push any of these exceptions in, we will resist it. And if the House will use their majority numbers to push it through, I, as a sponsor, will advise myself accordingly.
Very well. You are entitled to advise yourself. Yes, majority leader.
Media raise strong issues because they think that we are violating the right to free expression. Professionals such as lawyers raise strong issues that we are violating their professional freedom and violating the rights of people to legal services. Then academics, universities. I was on the committee, you remember, the previous parliament, and these civil society groups made a very strong case. So what the committee is trying to do is to narrowly set out those exceptions where when you speak, you will not be considered as promoting or supporting LGBTQ.
But finally, Parliament, so I said that the Parliament says, Honorable Speaker, right Bernard Ahiafo, honor and presided over that ruling. Or Johnny 2 minutes so am I pass a bill based on vote your count per head.
He adopted
an act to provide for human sexual rights and family values and related matters.
Honourable members, the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 is duly read for the third time and passed.
You so edit to me say aye embra ewo Ghana Parliament transit president ebe sign say abe embra ewo oman mu na obi na de call ye na ye gitu mu no na say changes bi ewo ho enye sa bill na pese Akufo Addo sign 2024 enye da bill na because 2024 bill na embra bi wo mu a se paasa kana emmo oman Ghana ebi ni say journalists say udi nkomo efa gay na lesbianism ho a say bia ebi asi ana ma o make reportage on it any ade a ye say offense ye be chi watum ebiam so no se achi gay activists and lesbian activists bia eni se onya lawyer kwa wa ko jento we twa no e offense ebiam so no se we osofo o ye counselor na obi aba ho no o papa me gay be se otumi funa me jai se o ma ne counselor na ye se e offense eni pa ne ba fa ne bra police ne fa ne gotum o ye gay ye hia no eni se otumi se o be sesa there be offense o sofo kro ne be chill man ye you bet me ko jambra na nim and say o counselor kron you bet ma choice na when nyina hyemu say we doctor obi yale we gay ni o lesbian o yare oba hospital na o hwe ne say no beto no no asa ko di no tunu mu eye bone doctor kro be chew just say o mo di mra we nyina hyemu na abe twintwan until that time no the majority o mo kick out but na eye akoye 51 against 50 it no abe pepepe what I say just a man not etia say that as man not na aba was we agina mu somebody went into my bubble so twintwan yen sign bill no abra no say issue e wo ho but o man tia say but they go sign no you go pass no Friday ya in there o be no say buy na o mayi mra de ndi we nyina afiri mu say so for ma counselor na o say enya bone obi ya no ba hospital wo hwe na o say enya bone media obetima de nkoma fa LGBTQ ho enya bone but dom ka say ku fa ensan no da shem say enya bone but omo de no ma passing there no nya bone say omo ne MPP government ni niye e ma no afenya makin eni onuamo ma no di caucus in parliament omo di nkom afa ho saa na no ana general zibia hwedom say debi and so afenya makin maka no they are right ade this government no their hypocrisy level no top notch
eneya omo ye omo dia pass this is afenya makin saying say mna dada no say pass saa bre no kura enye papa ehia nsakira enye se be conflict with your constitution ayewo ebi ne mabobode a chew no. This is clear. Clear said there is a constitutional clash, there's professional ethical clash, because profession bear on the ethics, especially health profession, doctors, no. The patient has the right to confidentiality. Who needs to disclosing them? To report no other patient, no. What did I say more echo? All these things are there. Tiafenyo acknowledge in 2024 say how yeah the cause emwa because constitutional clash. Now clear amendments need necessary. I agree. But the issue is that the NDC's dishonesty, any almost unprincipled stance, and we have a conversation. Because in 2024, when the NDC was in opposition, omu yusu LGBTQ mrano ejina so ekunisia konkon Emma eno Sam George NDC Emma no so edama Ghana fo hu omu yie Emma hu se NDC Emma enam so mo de be wi to me omu describe bill ne say e perfect bibia ye comment Akufo Addo nsan when Afenyo Makin was raising the same concerns, he said there be and no maybe a woman never clash with the constitution. The NDC was defending, so, oh, I perfect. At the end, woman is on sign, and they I feel no more say bibi womunti when he has such a you see that unprincipled stand, and of course this honesty. No credia enkoso. All the concerns raised before you will say, oh, because ye pay to me. In fact, you can't add a password a working cassia password the boy NDC at those times now LGBTQ count. Because I sorry biana mampeni bekwaku jinemu biano no ma assurance say me ba me de me sign. But we all knew said there were problems. And I'm surprised that Sam George say now we shouted there is nothing hey Akufo Addo sign there is nothing Akufo Addo sign a law a bill a de akwa ya pass ya bibia ya kama other than Akufo Addo sign that Sam George ye did no and then Sam George who say we catch team for jo say ono no ye counselor na we cancel will be nipa na ba nanim so homosexual yinti opeso ojai na nipa no ba nanim no ono cancel na 24 amane jai na se wate enya knowledge se nipa ne ye bia no anko report no ye chintim fojo no a ebe de da na na Sam George ebisa na wo Sam George sabre na nim we na nim se counselors ne health professionals ne ye omo ho be kire omo because sabre na sabe ono na wo push so omo nsan na amendment we no monye. You see how unprincipled it is. The U10 today. You were calling on Akufo Addo. A tracing to me be so. It is a Akufo Addo sign ya. It was signed here and they Nyan sign ya who will be Musa Cassie assistant will be my question. Come Yabina Quenya beam. If Akufo Addo has signed the bill that time, and Kayabina Quenya this particular amendment in CA, it has to take years before we can amend.
Ni omude command na do a o kan say no senior identity no nieme bi wo mu a e se ehwe ni yie no eno an omde e koma ye friend say no kura wo mu ne say enye no a masesa mu yes o masesa mu se ni omude ko ye na MPP ka say enye no no more can say I didn't so man for the same thing, uncle. It is any a ball. And I mean, you know a bubble park so. Let me say, filled no, and yet, in tea, Yen's filled, no baby, a bubble, no see Debbie. Missy me mobile. Ya quacotinas, next time ya baby more, or see Yen's park no. Niches say, me can't say park in yellow. Niches wouldn't say no cray. Now when you win him, Parliament, sebi, omo work parliament, no omo nyam kwara bio. Experienced people, legal people, technically inclined people when it comes to formulation of laws. And our constitution in Yemen, they know. No munim pa, ni omo ya no munim. Yen kan okure no munim. And ne me pa ola me ban pacho. And ne even on the radio programs. And sometimes when I listen to some of these programs and you hear some of these pundits, the way they talk as if, say, excuse my language, we have a bunch of stupid people in this country who cannot reason. Excuse my language. Because they say, Obi awashe dada no unyane na unyane da. Obi awashe dada. Unyane na unyane da. Here can say me obi a ebinu mo ye so omonti ase na MPP kan omonti ase. Wa share that in your MPP ni na kan onti ase say this is a different thing from what you took to Nanado. Okay. What am I saying? Because if it's the same near and nay ah my ye and no the come Nanado, I believe that Nanado will assign it. And in Yomudi come Nanado no, I don't think say President Mahama will have signed it. Yes, but the facts also support what I'm saying. That is why I'm not system. I didn't throw for the same thing, uncle. Okay, so
NDC fue F kind to Nanado many. So one pill, Sam Ray on site. Emrawi. Nankamefan Hanum Chemi Mikutamia, no mind day. Ha! And for any papa for me first kind of no chemi minimum, ne ko chami ana me yene day. Me di na ki ba kire me. Mo yare. Enti Nanado dia no anya e wo kosianim. Osi won sai. Ye nyina ye nim pressure ye di gu papa ye so kuro de mu a. Ye nyina ye nim. Ananyofo. So in my hands, me were 2 disposable caps. 2 disposable caps. Etienne, but your mama come and mami. 2 disposable caps. Me bachi kosuya mienu. Kosuya no so enye. Kosuya na mba bachi no mienu enye. Now, ni edi kai kosuya ya chia ni ajene kakra um. Meboa enti kosuya baaku jene ni baaku enso jene ni meboa enti wo de fa nse nei me mfa tomatoes nka ho we aye nchene kosuya de eden a so pa nchene wo nchene kakra betum enti we su ye nchene abo de ni bi adan nchene bi me de baaku atu bia mu me mpesa wo bari mi kosuya wo gas ja afia kosuya no nchene twam enti anu nie kosuya mienu no baaku representi Emra ye share senka Nanado nsan. Ena ba akoso representing ya nanu ya emra sebedwafo akosa. Se bibia ensi na ekọ Parliamentary. Mapeni John Mahama besan. Enti me bebo kosuya no enu nie eye kosuya mo no. Aha. Enti kosuya ni nie mabo baako egu baakum. Ni atosu mienu su nie me bobo we so aha enti kosia mienu nie ni nyina ye emra ya se medical culture se ba ko represent na Nanado aban mu ena ba ko so represent ne Owura Mahama aban mu enti Nanado de no ena edi kan share ne first Nanado de kosia no na anya enu nie we anya ewum ene ya kafra anya wo kosuanum ene ya kafra ne yesi na Nanado a wo ye mampani wono wo ye eja wanchi sa kosua ye de anya afra mu maganafo na ganafo we papa ne se da bi kosua na mo de abose magya to aye ho abase memfa nsi gya no so na menche no niema bi wo kosua no mu a me chiwi a yari a enwe ni obari no be yare fui efa se kan to Nana Addo mene. So wo pew, one pew, samrei on sign. Emrawe. Nanka me fa ne hanom nche me kotwa me a na man dey. Ha, enkofo ye nipa bone fo. Me mfa se kan na no nche me mu na kotwa me na me ye ne dey. Me di na ki ba kire me. Mo yare. Enti Nana Addo dia no anya e okosua nim. Osi won sai. Ye nyina ye nim pressure ye di gu papa ye so kro de mu a. Ye nyina ye nim. Amanyofo, asofo, nananom pressure ye di gu Nana Addo so say kosua we wonchi magana fo nwe papa no so nim say sa kosua we ochi a Ghana for be na mo ye be wie no ne yare the problem beba it wanche. In fact one man executive secretary draw krata kwa parliament say sa kosua na ma paper bre me se menche no mamo mfamba but o tie na make pa edidi musa na Nana Addo ekoye at that time a name man penia what so John Dramani Mahama. The point Emma Etia say one no one was signed that. Kasakusia watch that because a Kosia Ghana for here dear way at Menya Hode. Edidi Musa Nana Addo the 8th Parliament in if you want. Yes, a Kosiano a woo yen to mean shit of sanity. Me pacho wa uti me sanity. Okay. Now no dia ya say medical catch of the first one another time dear no na anya ewom to so one side one man wo mo hye Nana Addo so one sign no a day adru wo so say monya sa mra no mra na mampani sign wo mo koye ya o ma yi anwea ne abo na fikosua no kina meka no o ma yi anwea ene abo na fikosua nim anya ne abo no ana Nana Addo se monkoyi mfiri mu anu wo so da bia nyi mfiri mu na mu obeche na Ghana fo awi edru wo mo so no wo mo ya no foforo no omakoyi anwea this time around no omo amfa anwea ne abo na ngo kosua nim enti ese aye kosua Oria ebeye argument be a kosubiano. I am not going to go there. But I am telling you point blank. Me catch you playing and you playing fat. Me say me catch you playing and you playing fat. Say NDC4 in this case. We ni pabonifo. China mekano.
And I make catch us, me boy His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo Addo Aman Abaso. Say former president, dear pa say anti-gay bill no one sign. Na ye betna kan munsem. Emma on say ye nuansem Jenny Richard friend say the last guy. The court. Nam so kra nti na His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Akufo Addo antimi sent it to sa gay bill na we don't pass it. Last week Parliament passed the revised, that is what I call it, the revised standard version of anti-gay bill. What? Niema bi ane wo mame nkyerɛ wade bi na simple. Any the anti America said, Yamanyofo no mo kuro ma no ho. Wo mo nwene yɛn timamfo no ho. Ade e bɛbo wo mo. Ama wo mo part na kora nim. Ene me be simple illustration e de akyerɛw. Cause Mint kind bill ni nyina about 36 pages. Yentimi kind ni nyina ne. Me yen simple the actual. No what in yeme biase. Sa Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. Se onip oba one ne nyonko ba eda. Bema ofa ne nyonko bema to. Bema one aboa eda. Ana oba ono so ne aboa eda. Ana so obi timi ka se one de opese oware ayi microphone esie. No abodwa afre Ghana for nyina ne abetena se ade a obeware microphone no aware microphone se ne sebe jimie no muguzu jimi o man ni no na yenya nkofo a wonu gu odi akọ snapchat ne so na kohwe wonu mfere kra so mse o ye geefo Ghana fo a mema wonu madane ma nante se ma hyentade se ma na enei last week sa bill na ya kan no Parliament pass nti ye twen se mampani ede ne nsa be sign signature be sign Yera Mahama na afi abeda ne mra na mamen compare bill ni mienu nkyerɛw NDC fo ne smart bill na omo force na nado se na nado nsan no ana nado ansan no sa bill ye ne o ma pass no e different tie niye wa obegye akyinye no wa o pachinye no na memfa your friend say report 2 ni nyina emfa ma na wa kan ba ko ye 39 pages ba ko 36 pages ne kan ni nyina de omde ma na nado se na nado nsan no me de be kan ho na de ne ya pass na me no so kan ho na tena se ne read ni nyinara wo bo se 2 different bills ani e kan wasem de omde ma na nado se na nado ensan no wo ye nsam twereni na o ka gay hu asem o tena radio so kura ka gay hu asem anasem nkofo bi koye gay na o ko report as a reporter o report efa gay no ho a wo ensem training no ye be chew ni wa ko jail tie nie 92.5 o ye doctor na obi ye gay na ye di ne to sabi mfa nche me men ka ne saa na mu hu se ejimie na boys ne girls ne ejimie okurum ano ya fa ne to a ma ne to atutokuro na oye wo ye doctor ni na ye de saa gay ni bro na wo hwe no man medication etunufo asa wo cancel no onya isa niema no on utunufo na wo de wa hwe na ne ho ato na wo saa doctor ni kuro no wo nso ye bechewo wa wo ye lawyer ni wo ye human right activist whoever wo ye na nso betena ho ana gay fo wo mo right ye nya gay fo no mo nya we no wo nso saa nipa no ye bechewo tio saa die we no mo de koma na nado se na nado ensan no eti memetie yanka me kasa fo ho amaka gay keke no ese ye chim because omo say o yes a u promote ade no eti wo call na onso be frɛ no ka onso frɛ a na wo koka gay asɛm a yes BNI for track o one cyber security for number be chew cause waka gay to promote ade no sa wo ye physician assistant wo ye ekuo bi NGO kwan a wo ye a wo be ka gay hu asɛm eti saa niema we na Richard the last time hunu say no eba sa na ye tietie nipa bi mfa ahodie so sa me nsam twerani na obi akoye gay na makọ report say ebia nipa somasi akodi omoto ami acho mabuo maku omo enani kwan say ye bu sa nipa ni ku no me reporter na me report no bill na ide command na ado so nsan no matomra ntie ba be che me reporter no ti asem ni yo me say me ye ne simple no ate ase ena de omode abre ye ka ne sen ena die ya NDC fo ama o ma sign last week no a o ma pass no sa wo ye nsam twerani a untimi nka gay hu asem wo ye counselor untimi nko tu gay ni info untimi cancel gay ni wo ye doctor ni a untimi enko se obi akodi ne to no wanya problem untimi nko ma na aduru na untimi nko en bibia no NDC for na azem te sa ne o ma yini nyina firim se eso mo ema exemptions anya sa ye tietia nipa bi mu found ye so enti bill na o pass ye no NDC for na fakwati kwan so yi sa ne ema ni nyina firim tio ana o ma pass enti sa new one we na ya pass no ade na wo mu na nado yes wonom nsan a obi di court no ana NDC for si nado concern on sign no in paboni ni ososo gay so no ana nado ansan no sa the same bill na KSNDC for so the same thing ekwoto Yera Mahama nim ni Yera Mahama esan no e different o ma yi sa ne me America ni nyina afrim o ma exempt sa ne me ni nyina na o mo de the correct one e koma President Mahama say on sign on double standard na ye kan eti nado time no and the near for so ne say on sign eduru Yera Mahama so de yakoyi sa ne ma na e ba incriminating crofo e be chi adotafo agum e be chi nsam twerefo agum no yende yakoyi ni nyina afrim say yewura mahama nkosan timi bi say ndc for say no mu nim say sa de na enye ana no mo force yewura na na do se onkosan na
92.5
na adentina the same bill no o man fa nkoto yewura mahama nim na duru yewura mahama so de won ba yi sa enema ni nyina afrim wan exempt professionals bi send yewura mahama nkosan ohun se me catch ro say mo anda bia mugu social media no so ade beto a onya daje nkenkan ti oti so obi ka say na no odi so
92.5
no odi obi atemu krom a ye be ka say na na do ye gay cause of so one sign the same thing no ade ne yakose say no say yewura mahama de onko sign no
Chira waje mama e wo comment section. Hi Penya Black Media.